This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you complete your tax return for rental property. We'll start by clarifying exactly what income you need to report from your rental ventures. Then, we will thoroughly explore the many common expenses you can deduct, helping to minimize your tax liability. Finally, we will touch upon the critical aspect of depreciation, ensuring you understand how to account for the wear and tear on your property. Our goal is to make this process clear and straightforward for you. When reporting your rental income, it is essential to account for all money received from tenants. This includes the regular monthly rent, any advance payments, and even security deposits that convert into rent. Remember to also include other income sources, such as fees from coin-operated laundry machines or dedicated parking spaces. All of these figures will be consolidated and reported on Schedule E, specifically Part 1, of your main Form 1040. Accurate reporting from the outset prevents issues later. Many expenses you incur as a landlord are fully deductible, significantly lowering your taxable income. Be sure to claim costs like mortgage interest, property taxes, and all insurance premiums, including landlord liability policies. Necessary repairs, maintenance work, and even professional services, such as a gardener or a plumber, are also valid deductions. Keeping detailed records, perhaps organized monthly or quarterly, is absolutely critical to substantiate every one of your claimed expenses. This diligent approach will save you time and money. Depreciation is a unique deduction that accounts for the wear and tear or obsolescence of your property over its useful life. For residential rental properties, the IRS generally allows you to deduct a portion of the building's cost each year over 27.5 years. Remember, this applies only to the building structure and not the land it sits on. Accurately calculating depreciation can be complex, so reviewing IRS Publication 527 or consulting a tax professional is highly recommended for clarity and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.